Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your mom, Marilyn, back again with another beauty video. If you are new, thanks for stopping by. So in this video we'll be doing a cut crease look. If you want to achieve this look, keep watching. Also guys, this is going to be a very detailed look, so if you want to practice along with me, you can get your tools, sit back, relax, and let's do this. Drum roll. We have new subscribers, guys, like new subscribers. Welcome guys, we're so excited to have you in our channel. Hey, so let's get right into it. I'm going to moisturize. After I'm moisturizing, I'm going to be priming. But before I do any of that, my lips are chappy, so I'm going to be using a lip gloss first. So I am going to be moisturizing my face using the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream to moisturize my face. Little here. After moisturizing my face, I'll be going into this Fasari Skin Tone Blur. I got it like a mini pack to blow out my pores. For primer today, we'll be getting into Milk Makeup Base. It's a primer, so I'll be applying it on my face. On they said 1 or 2 pumps, so I'm just gonna do 1 pump. Ooh, one is a lot though. Just and blend it into my face. We are blending all together. Feels so good and sticky. I'll be going into the Makeup Revolution concealer and just conceal the dark parts of my face. Well, normally I would use a makeup corrector, but I don't have that. And I can't remember the YouTuber I saw using this, and I'm like, ooh, let me give it a try. So that's what we're doing. We're trying new things. It's 2020. Then I'm going to be blending it out using my brush. So I'm just using a brush because just blends everything out so nicely. See? Ooh, can you see? Oh my god, I feel like I'll start using this method every time. Like it blends everything out so nicely. Oh my god. Sorry? I can't hear you. Where are the dark spots? Where are they? I can't see nothing. I can't. Let me just go into some more because oh lord, I have learned new things. Well, please show me where are the dark spots. Where? Flawless. And this is even without my foundation. So now I'm going to go into my foundation. For foundation today, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics foundation in NW45. Can you see I'm trying to avoid my under eye because I'm going to be concealing my face. So after that, I'm going back into the Makeup Revolution concealer to conceal my face. So I'm going to blend everything out. Oh lord, is this me? Can you see the difference? Oh, concealers will make a ton of difference. They just go for me 0 to 100 real quick. You always take your time when you're blending all the products into your face. Your shadows, your foundation, your concealer, everything you're doing on your face, you take time and you take your time well, because It's just like cooking. You always need to take your time when you're cooking because you want that food to come out really delicious. So your face is like your food. Just make sure you take your time doing anything you're doing. Just blending this. I'm going to go into my Elegant Pro Face Powder in True Bronze and go into my corner of my nose and dump it there. Same for the other side. After doing that, I'm going to go into my translucent powder to set my face. I'm using S1 today, so I'm going to and set my face. And then just let it bake. While that's going on, I'm going to contour my face. So I'll be using my brow sculpturing gel just to get my brows in place. Then I'm done. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be doing this over here and I'm going to be doing it together. To start off, I'm going to be going into the P. Louise base in Rumors 4. You apply it to your lids. Then you need to blend it out. All over your lids, into your brows. The thing is, you have to make sure you blend it till it becomes tacky. Just make sure you pat it well and there's no space till it becomes tacky. Just pat till you're sure you've covered your full lids. I'm using the Morphe's palette, 35B palette, which is now the James Charles palette. If you don't have this palette, you can use another palette or you can use another eyeshadow. I'm using this color first, then I'll be adding this to it. We're going into this brush, fluffy brush, where it has a closed bristle. I'll be using it to pack the eyeshadow onto my lid, to the center of my lids. I'll be working from the center to the end, to the both ends, the center, and I move back. And I pack it forward also. Start from the center because it's easier to blend from the center to any side you want than from the end to the front. After packing, I go into another brush and blend out the edge. I blend out the edge with a lighter purple. You work with 50-50, 50 in, 50 out. Blend it out and then come up a bit. We're just blending it out. When you're blending, just make sure you blend well. There's no rush. You have to make sure everything blends into each other. Everything blends into each other. Blending is the most important part of eyeshadow. After blending that, I go into a lilac shade, a lighter shade, apply it above that, still using the 50-50 method, blending it out so I have this seamless finish. You don't want any harsh edges in your blend. You just want everything to be seamless. Like and ombre. Blend, no harsh lines. You make sure all the edges blend into each other, and it's almost as invisible. What am I saying? Not almost, it is invisible. You can't tell where the beginning of each blend is. It just blends into each other. Then you go back into all the colors from the very first purple to the lilac, just to make sure each color has the same consistency as when you first applied it. So I just go into a dark eyeshadow to just blend out the edges to give it a more deeper purple look, and just blend it into my crease. And you go back into the brush I used to apply the purple, the deep purple, and just blend it over the black, so the colors blend into each other. Still no harsh lines. After that, I'll be cutting the crease. To cut the crease, I'll be using still a flat brush. I'll be applying Vaseline on the flat brush, and then use the cut clean out the crease like this. Outline the parts I want to clean. Then clean it out. I'm using a cotton bud to clean out mine. I use a cotton brush because it's more precise for me. I learned this Vaseline method from LOVELIES, and ever since I started doing it, it gives me no issues. It is so easy to cut. I used to have so much issues cutting my crease, but not anymore. Bye issues, welcome solution. Now that I cut the crease, I'm going to go into my LOVELIES base again and then apply it on it. This time I'm using a smaller flat brush. Because we want it to be sticky enough for the eyeshadow we want to be applying on it. So just pat it, make sure there are no folds, everything blends out nicely. Then you start packing the eyeshadows on it. I'll be using a glittery eyeshadow still from the same palette. I'm using just one palette throughout this video. After packing into the lids, then I'll be going into Twinkle by G Glam Beauty. It's a pigment, a glittery pigment. It looks white, but it has no color. This is the inside. I'm just going to be placing it on the cut crease. And after doing that, I'm going to do my under eye. For my under eye, I'll be using the color purple to blend out my under eye. Then I'm going into my inner tear duct with the Eye Magic eyeshadow lips with this color from this Eye Magic palette. Because it does not dry so well, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow on it, so the colors can pop well and it can dry. I'll be using this glitter metallic color over the cut crease. don't have to go at once. You can take your time and do little by little, because you want to be very careful to get it. So you take your time, you are not rushing to go anywhere. So take your time as you apply it, and if your hand is shaking, you can just wait and steady it before you continue, and you draw it out. So that's that. Apply my lash. I'm going to go into the Fenty Beauty mascara and just so now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to finish up my face. So guys, this is the final look. If you tried this look, don't forget to tag me so I can see your recreation. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Then if you have any questions whatsoever makeup related, you can always put it down in this video, then I'll get back to you with the answers. See you on my next one. Bye.